Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Julia.
And I'm Alex. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is hobbies, how to talk about your free time in English.
Yes, we'll learn simple, useful phrases, perfect for beginners.
If you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. It really helps us grow.
Okay, take a deep breath. Relax. Let's learn together.
First question, what is a hobby? A hobby is something you like to do in your free time.
Free time means time when you are not working or studying.
For example, I like reading. Reading is my hobby.
Nice. I like playing football. Playing football is my hobby.
Let's practice a sentence. Listen first. My hobby is reading.
Now you say it. Pause. Good job.
Another example. My hobby is playing football.
Say it one more time. My hobby is playing football. Great. You're improving already.
Let's learn more hobby words. Listening to music.
Watching TV.
Cooking.
Drawing.
Gardening.
Playing video games.
Now, listen to this short dialogue.
Julia, what do you do in your free time?
I read books and listen to music. What about you?
I play football and watch TV.
Very simple, very natural. Now, let's practice together. Listen and repeat. In my free time, I read books.
Your turn. Nice.
In my free time, I watch TV.
Again. In my free time, I watch TV. Excellent.
Now, let's make it a little longer. I like cooking because it is relaxing.
That's a great sentence. I like drawing because it is fun.
Notice the structure. I like blank because it is blank.
Let's repeat it together. I like music because it is relaxing.
Perfect.
Julia, do you have a weekend hobby?
Yes, on weekends, I go to the park and take photos.
Oh, nice. I visit my friends on weekends.
Listeners, think about your weekend hobby. What do you do on Saturday?
Pause and answer in English. Even a short sentence is great.
For example, on Saturday, I watch movies. Simple, clear, correct.
You don't need long sentences. Short sentences are powerful.
Mini practice. Listen, discuss, listen again. Listen carefully. My hobby is cooking. I cook dinner for my family.
Now, what is the hobby? Cooking. Good.
Listen again. My hobby is cooking.
Repetition helps your brain. Listen, repeat, learn.
Okay, let's review today's key phrases.
My hobby is...
In my free time, I
like blank because it is blank.
You learned so many useful words today. Reading, cooking, watching TV, playing football.
And you practiced speaking. That's amazing. Be proud of yourself.
Yes, even small practice every day makes a big difference.
Now, we have a question for you.
What is your favorite hobby?
Tell us in the comments, what do you do in your free time?
Write one simple sentence. That's enough.
We read your comments. We love your progress.
Keep practicing, keep speaking. You can do this.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.